So Tantra Dharak, Tantra means action and Dharak means holder. So for us, part of the Vedic tradition, as part of Hinduism, we have a Tantra Dharak, the person that holds the space for the sacred action to happen. And this is the form of yoga being reintroduced exactly as Sadashiva designed yoga to happen. We're having Sri Nitya Ambananda Swami gracing us as a Tantra Dharak for Nityananda Yoga. And he's the chief priest of the temple, here Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva's temple. And he's going to do honor to be our Tantra Dharak for the night. And we have Sri Nitya Dhridananda, who is heading the Shivastamba, Nityananda Shivastamba Yoga. And along with him is Ma Nitya Prasiddhananda, who is the head of Kundalini Raju Yoga, which is a yoga performed on the hanging rope. And the three of us together are going to lead you to a beautiful demonstration being done by the Mahasadashivoham participants themselves, what they have gone through in this beautiful journey of 31 days, their experiences of yoga, their breakthroughs of yoga, many with different backgrounds, maybe many with zero experience about yoga whatsoever, just having beautiful breakthroughs in that experience of Shaktipada during the ritual of yoga. And we're going to be having the different participants joining us for the demonstration. You can please come to the front. These are Mahasadashivam participants joining us for the Shivastamba demo and Kundalini Raju demo and yoga on the mat respectively. And as usual, we're going to start first with the Sadguru Vandanam, and Ambaswami is going to lead us through that.
Nityanandam. Mahasadashiva in the Agamas has laid down yoga as a ritual. So here, as per the words of Mahasadashiva from Agamas, we will be starting this Nityananda Yoga, Nityananda Kundalini Raju Yoga, Nityananda Shivastambha Yoga demonstration session with the ritual of Sadguru Vandanam followed by Achamanam and Sankalpam. Requesting everyone to please sit with your head, neck, spine in a straight line as we enter into Sadguru Vandanam. Bring your awareness to your third eye. Remember Swamiji in your third eye and get into the space of oneness with Mahasadashiva. Om Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Yekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Keeping your eyes closed, let us chant the Shiva Moola mantra for 11 times as laid down in the Agamas. Om Ham Hom Shivaya Namaha. 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 Slowly open your eyes and let us enter into Achamanam. Please pour one Uddharani of water into your right palm and drink the water along with the chanting of the mantra internally. Atmatattvam shodhayami svadha. Another Uddharani of water. Vidya tattvam shodhayami svadha. Another Uddharani of water. Shiva Tattvam Shodhayami Swadha. Wash your right hand. With the base of your right hand thumb, wipe your upper and lower lips. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. Wash your right hand. With the tip of your right hand, index finger, middle finger, ring finger joined together, touch little above your upper lips, below your lower lips. With the tip of your right hand, thumb and the index finger joined together, touch your right nostril, left nostril. With the tip of your right hand, thumb and the ring finger joined together, touch your right eye, right ear, left ear. Wash your right hand. With the base of your right hand thumb and the little finger joined together, touch your navel, your right chest, left chest, and with all the fingers of your right hand joined together, touch the crown of your head, your right shoulder, left shoulder, and your heart center. Keep your hands in the Sankalpa position and let us enter into the Sankalpa, creation of the conscious will to enter into this experience of Nityananda Yoga, Nityananda Shivastambha Yoga, and Nityananda Kundalini Raj Yoga. Om Mamopata Samasta Duritakshaya Dwara Shri Sadguru Prityartham Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Mahasadashiva Parashiva Prityartham Shri Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Sadguru Nityananda Swami Kripa Katakshena पूर्ण आरोग्य युक्त दृढ़गात्र यौगिक शरीर सिद्ध्यर्थम सदाशिव शक्ति आविष्करणार्थम श्री सद्गुरु प्रसादेन सकुटुंबस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थम नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासम नित्यानंद कुंडलिनी रज्जु योगाभ्यासम नित्यानंद शिवस्तंभ योगाभ्यासं च करिष्ये. Wash your hands. आपवुपस्पृश्य अथ नित्यानंद योगाभ्यासः अथ नित्यानंद कुंडलिनी रज्जु योगाभ्यासः अथ नित्यानंद शिवस्तंभ योगाभ्यासः.
So we now proceeding to our respective locations for the demonstration of the different asanas. We're going to introduce again to the world the different asanas being performed on the Shivastambha pole and on the Kundalini Raju pole and on the mat in these three forms simultaneously, along with the beautiful chanting of the Shastra Pramana for each one of the asanas. And this is something that it's absolutely new to the world, that yoga is not only being performed on the mat, but it's actually performed on the Shivastambha, the wooden pole, and the Kundalini Raju rope. And these three forms of yoga being presented along with the scriptures. It's something that it's really a divine opportunity not only to witness but to be part of this. So with no more further ado, let's proceed into the demo for the yoga to happen. So we're going to start. We're going to start with Vrikshasana being performed. So please get into your position.
वामोरुमूलदेशे च याम्यं पादं निधायतु तिष्ठेत्तु वृक्षवद्भूमौ वृक्षासनमिदं विदुः.
Vrikshasana. Slowly, let's proceed to Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana.
जानु परिललाटन्तु पश्चिमं ताणमुच्यते येन केन प्रकारेण सुखं धार्यं च जायते.
And let's proceed to Dhanurasana 1.
पादाङ्गुष्ठौ तु पाणिभ्यां गृहीत्वा श्रवणावधि धनुराकर्षाकृष्टं धनुरासनमीरितम्.
Yes. And slowly, let's invite our next model to the next set of asanas. You can inhaling up. Next, we have Peter and Shivani. And we're going to enter into Padmasana.
एतत् पद्मासनं कुर्यात् प्राणावायुप्रसिद्धये शुभासनं सदा ध्यायेत् पूरयित्वा पुनः पुनः ऊरुमूले वामपादं पुनस्तद्दक्षिणं पदं वामोरौ स्थापयित्वा च पद्मासनमिति स्मृतम्.
And slowly let's proceed to Parvatasana.
अथ वक्ष्ये महादेव पर्वतासनमङ्गलम् यत्कृत्वा स्थिररूपी स्यात् षट्चक्रादिविलोपनम्.
And let's proceed to Matsyasana.
मुक्तपद्मासनं कृत्वा उत्तानशयनं चरेत् ऊर्पराभ्यां शिरोवेक्ष्य मत्स्यासनं तु रोगः.
And slowly rise yourself up as we prepare for the next set of asana by by Anand, Joe. Let's start. So the first asana is Uttanasana.
महामुद्राबद्धकोणौ ताडासनविभेदकान् विनोत्तानं सदा कुर्यादन्तर्वत्नीपतिप्रिया.
Experiencing the comfort and stability, Stiram and Sukham in Uttanasana. Very good. As we move on to Anilasana. Anilasana.
दो हाथ भूम पर ठाने कहूनी जाड़ी नाभिलग आने फणा दो ऐसे विधि करे बिजली हथेलिया की परिधरे ऐसे रहे करा के पानी भरे नासा मध्य आनी या सो कपट मिटे तन केरी जैत राम प्रकट कहे तेरी.
Anilasana. And the last asana of this set, Suryasana.
येडी देव गुदा तरी आने फणा पानी बैठक पुनि ठाने गोड़ा जंघ अधर करी रहे आड़े बाई इसी विधि कहे गो भुजा न भुजिता पसारे कमल स्वरूप अंकुरी धारे पहुँचा मधि छिद्र पुनि ताने छिद्र विके पुन दृष्टि जुआने.
And gracefully coming down. Very good. And let's get ready for the last asana in the set. Being performed by Shri Nitya Bridananda, Manitya Prasidananda, Shula and Supriya. Let's start with Natarajasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च भुक्ताङ्गुष्ठप्रसारणे.
Great job, everyone. Let's give a round of applause. And let's close now with the Purna Mantra.
We'll now close this demonstration of Nityananda Yoga, Nityananda Kundalini Raj Yoga, and Nityananda Shivastambha Yoga with the Purna Mantra. Stay tuned for further programs continued during this glimpses of Mahasadashivoham. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Sarvam Sadguru Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam.
Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Gangadhara Digambara
Gangadhara Digambara
Gangadhara Digambara
Gangadhara Digambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara
Bhaja Nityananda Vishwambara. Vamangarudam Varashailavasam
Gurudeva Nityananda 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 Gurudeva Nityananda.
सुख के लिए ये है चेतावनी, अब तू न टिकेगा तो मिट्टी तो आली। अवतरण
अवतरण दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण।
अवतरण
अवतरण दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण। सदाशिव रूप की ये अवतरण, नित्यानंद की ये अवतरण। अवतरण अवतरण दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण।
अवतरण
अवतरण दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण।
अवतरण
अवतरण दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण। करुणामयी से ये अवतरण, विश्व में जीवन मुक्ति की ज्वाला जलाने हुआ ये अवतरण। दिव्यवतरण भव्यवतरण अनन्यवतरण।
ओंकारी आनंद नित्येश्वरी परमेश्वरी नित्य नित्येश्वरी। ओंकारी आनंद नित्येश्वरी परमेश्वरी नित्य नित्येश्वरी। नमस्ते शरण्ये शिवे सानुकंपे, नमस्ते जगद्व्यापिके विश्वरूपे। नमस्ते शरण्ये शिवे सानुकंपे, नमस्ते जगद्व्यापिके विश्वरूपे। नमस्ते जगद्वन्द्य पादारविन्दे, नमस्ते जगत्तारिणि त्राहिणि।
अम्मय्यप्पने नी अन्नय्यप्पने, अम्मय्यप्पने नी अन्नय्यप्पने। अम्मय्यप्पने नी अन्नय्यप्पने, अम्मय्यप्पने नी अन्नय्यप्पने। மக்களுக்காக மறுமுடியும் நீ அவதரித்தனே, மக்களுக்காக மறுமுடியும் நீ அவதரித்தனே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। నిన్నరు పెరగ నొక్క నిన్నరు పెరగ ஏதும் பிறந்தால் கருணை நீ செய்யும் எந்தாயே, ஏதும் பிறந்தால் கருணை நீ செய்யும் எந்தாயே, அப்பனே செய்யும் எந்தாயே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। மக்களுக்காக மறுமுடியும் நீ அவதரித்தானே, மக்களுக்காக மறுமுடியும் நீ அவதரித்தானே। என்னை அம்மையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே। நீ என்னையப்பனே, அம்மையப்பனே நீ என்னையப்பனே।
पांडुरंग जय विठ्ठले विठ्ठले विठ्ठले। पांडुरंग जय विठ्ठले विठ्ठले विठ्ठले।
नित्यानन्द नित्यनारायण नित्यानन्द नित्यनारायण नित्यानन्द नित्यनारायण नित्यानन्द Shivo, Jaya Nityananda, Samba Shivo.